Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an RSS feed to your Pocket Casts application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pocket Casts application on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the Discover page where you can directly search for any podcast or add an RSS URL. Just click on this box and just type in the URL of the RSS feed that you want to access. Once you enter the link or the RSS feed URL, you will be able to access the podcasts from this feed right away. Just go ahead and choose the various different shows that are offered, and you can simply add them to your podcast list by clicking on the plus button. And now you will find all of these podcasts that you have added through the RSS feed within your podcast list. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add RSS feed links within your Pocket Casts application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.